Why are astronomers freaking out over this budget telescope? Celestron AstroMaster 102AZ review. Let's be real, your stargazing dreams are dying a slow death. You've tried those cheap telescopes that promise the moon and deliver fuzz. You've spent nights wrestling with tripod legs, squinting through blurry lenses, and rage-googling why can't I see Saturn's rings. Whether you're a curious beginner or a hopeful parent trying to spark cosmic wonder in your kid, it's the same vibe: frustration, confusion, and unmet expectations. Every time you haul out your setup, it feels like you're prepping for a NASA launch just to catch a glimpse of the moon. You're stuck in telescope purgatory, and it's getting old. Now multiply that frustration by an urgent need to escape daily chaos. Life is stressful, deadlines are crushing, and the kids are asking big questions like, are there aliens? Meanwhile, your overpriced starter scope sits in a corner like an expensive guilt trip. You crave wonder, connection, magic, but get tangled in knobs, screws, and star maps that read like ancient scrolls. You're burning out on tech that overcomplicates everything and kills the joy before the eyepiece even hits your face. The night sky should calm your soul, not test your patience. You want awe, not agony. Cue dramatic entrance. The Celestron AstroMaster 102AZ. This bad boy doesn't just promise the stars, it delivers them. We're talking 102mm of fully coated optical glass delivering jaw-dropping views of the moon, Jupiter's moons, and even deep sky dazzlers like Orion's nebula. No tools. No PhD required. Just a sleek, beginner-friendly beast that sets up in minutes and lets you actually enjoy the night sky. The right side-up view means it doubles as a badass daytime scope for spying on wildlife or that weird neighbor 2 houses down. You didn't hear it from us. It's astronomy made simple and stunning. Perks? Oh, we got 'em. Smooth alt-azimuth mount with panhandle? Check. Free Starry Night software for planning your night? Yup. 2 eyepieces for that crisp, wide-angle to zoomed-in magic? You bet. The tripod adjusts for kids, adults, or folks who like to sit back and let the cosmos come to them. We're talking razor-sharp focus, epic portability, just 12.9 pounds, and that sweet peace of mind backed by Celestron's 2-year warranty and US-based support. Wanna know what the stars really look like? Click play, because the AstroMaster 102AZ doesn't just show up, it shows off. So, what are you waiting for, Mars to RSVP? Don't let another clear sky slip through your fingers while you're fumbling with junk gear. Thousands of families, beginners, and stargazing addicts are already loving their Celestron AstroMaster 102AZ, and the stock won't last forever. This is your chance to finally feel the sky, to unlock awe, to bond with your kids, or inner child, and to ditch the tech drama for cosmic clarity. Grab yours now, before they're gone. Look up. Lean in. Blast off. The universe is calling, and the AstroMaster's ready to answer.